One of the first things you notice, obviously, is that it's white, but more importantly, it's powder coated. So powder coated finishes, it's double the thickness of paint, it's far tougher, far more scratch resistant. And if you notice in our construction method, we got our floors one piece, and then all the fenders, the sidewalls, and the roof section are bolted on. And we powder coat everything first before we bolt it together. And one of the reasons we do that is so that all these grooves in here, there's actual powder coating between all the seams. So corrosion can't get in there, water can't get in there, and start to eat away at the finish. Now secondly, if you notice, our trucks are made entirely out of aluminum. The whole box system is made out of aluminum. You won't find steel in the actual box, and especially stainless steel. Now, we can do steel and stainless steel, but I just don't recommend it anymore, mainly because steel is very, very heavy and it rusts. Stainless steel is extremely heavy. So, and when you move up to the steel and the stainless steel boxes, you've automatically added another $30,000 or $40,000 to your price tag. Mainly because the chassis to carry those trucks has to be much heavier. Now you need a 550 or like an International TerraStar just to carry that box because you made it out of steel. And then steel also rusts very quickly. I've seen Duct trucks literally 3 years old and the steel's completely eaten away and rotted away on almost a nearly new truck. So we use aluminum mainly because it doesn't rust, and more importantly because it's super light. This whole truck weighs, the whole box is probably around 3,500 pounds. And one of the advantages of having a lightweight box means that you don't have to put it on a big heavy chassis. You can put it on a nice Ford Transit, Dodge ProMaster, little 1-ton dually, or even a dually, or even a 1-ton without duals. Because it's so light, it opens up the options to pretty much any kind of chassis you want to put it on. Now, we can still put it on the big chassis, the Hinos, the Mitsubishis, the TerraStars if you want. You just don't need to anymore. And because it's so light, you don't have all that wear and tear on your brakes, your transmission, and all the things that go along with that over heavy truck. And it's much lighter, it's economical to run. These new cab chassis have V6 engines. They get great gas mileage, 20-25 miles a gallon. And the nice part is anybody can drive these things. You don't need a specially trained driver to drive a big 550 or the big TerraStar trucks.